Hello, hello everyone. So in today's session, we will understand how a sales order is automatically created through IDoc with reference to a purchase order in an intercompany trade scenario. So this is a very important real-time business process in SAP S for HANA and ECC system, especially in multinational or multi-company environment. So let us understand our business structure. We have a two company code within the same corporate group. One is buying company and another is the seller company. So buying company will create the purchase order while seller company will create the sales order. That is the regular business scenario. So in my case, we are just taking the buying company code is NSK1, the requested plant is NSKP, and the purchase organization is NKPO for the buying company, and seller company code is NSK2, although both company code are in the same corporate group, and delivering plant in SKA, sales organization NSK NKSO. Material is same, we are using same material, and supplier is this one, and customer is this one. So this is the scenario. Both companies are separate legal entities, both belong to the same organization. Okay, so now let us start with the first step. The buy company creates NSK1, create a purchase order in plant NSKP for material 73. Instead of a normal vendor, they use an intercompany vendor which represents the selling company NSK2. This is not a normal procurement, this is an intercompany procurement process. So when the PO is saved, system identifies that the this vendor belongs to the another company code. So let us see in the SAP system how the solution will work. The first step is the purchase order creation. Now start with the first step. The buy company NSK1 create a purchase order in plant NSKP for material 73. So transaction is ME21N. So purchase order creation, enter the required data, filling all the details, vendor, material, quantity, and the plant NSKP. Enter. Now and enter the output PO output type, as I not mentioned the condition recorded, or otherwise it will come automatically. So I'm just entering manual output determination and save the PO. So my purchase order has created. Let us see how the IDoc has triggered or not. So we go in the change mode, purchase order ME22N, and go in the message. Here we can see that this output has a green light. It means our IDoc is created. Let us see the IDoc number. Just select the output type and click on the processing log. So our output IDoc has triggered. Now let us check in the transaction W02. Execute the transaction. Now check the outbound and inbound IDoc. So IDoc, inbound IDoc has some issue, so we can just process reprocess in the transaction BD87. So execute it and uncheck background processing and click on the process and go for the forgot run with error. So now inbound IDoc has successfully triggered. Now let us see the sales order has created or not. Now it's green, so just click it. As the sales order number has created. Now sales order number 66 has been created. Now check in the system how it is, how the data is there in the sales order which are created through IDoc. So let's go in the check in VA03 transaction. So you can see this is the purchase order number that I have created in the company code NSK1, and this is the reference date. So here important point to notice is that this is the ship to party, but the address is speaking from the requester plant. So 1010 is by the requester plant in the purchase order. Means the delivery will go to the requester plant. System is copying address from the requester plant, although the ship to party is the same sold to party, but the address is changed. So that is the system override the ship to party their original address to their requester plant address. This is come from the configuration part. So in coming video, I will share the what the configuration, what are the IDoc setup for being a functional consultant. So here is the delivering plant from the seller company NSKA is my delivery plant shipping by NSKA. So this is about the sales order creation with reference to purchase order.